Tired of side hustles that barely pay for your coffee? You're hustling non-stop but your bank account isn't growing. What if I told you the real secret in 2025 isn't working harder but working smarter? With artificial intelligence, AI is the ultimate cheat code, already making people thousands and anyone can use it. Today I'll give you the exact blueprint 5 AI-powered side hustles that can realistically make you $100 a day or more. No experience or fancy degree needed, just watch, take notes, and get ready to change your life. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. Become an AI content creation machine. Every business needs content, blogs, social posts, video scripts, but most owners have no time. With tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can generate high-quality content in minutes. Offer your services on Upwork, Fiverr, or DM local businesses. I'll write 5 blog posts for a flat fee. Charge $50 per post, land 2 projects a day, and you've hit your $100 goal. Pro tip, niche down. Be the AI content writer for real estate agents or fitness YouTubers. Specializing lets you charge more and stand out. Use AI for 80% of the work, then personalize and polish. Package deals, like 4 articles a month for $500, are easy to sell. Find a client, let AI draft, you edit, deliver, and get paid. Repeat. This is one of the fastest ways to start making $100 a day with AI. The demand is huge, and the process is simple. Start today. Side hustle 2. Sell AI-generated digital products for passive income. Create something once, like an ebook, planner, or coloring book, using AI and sell it forever. Use ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, and AI art tools for visuals. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. Start with one product, then build a portfolio. Each is a mini employee earning for you 24/7. 10 $10 sales a day, that's $100, and it adds up fast. Run simple ads on Pinterest or Instagram to boost sales. The key is scalability. More products, more income. Do the work up front, then let AI and automation handle the rest. This is true smart passive income. Build, launch, and watch your digital products sell while you sleep. AI makes it possible. Side hustle 3. AI-powered social media management. Millions of small businesses need help with social media but don't have time or know-how. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for captions, and schedulers like Buffer or Later to automate posting. Offer to manage local businesses' social media. 3 posts a week for a flat monthly fee. Show them sample posts, it's an easy sell. Charge $300, $500 per month per client. Land just 2 clients and you're at $100 a day. Once your system is set, adding more clients takes little extra time. You're selling a high-value, automated service every business needs. AI does most of the work. You manage strategy and client communication. The opportunity is massive and growing. Start local, scale fast. This is your chance to build a real business with AI. Side hustle 4. AI video editing. Video is king, but editing used to be slow and expensive. AI changes everything. Tools like Descript or InVideo AI let you edit by simply editing text, add captions in one click, and even turn scripts into full videos. Offer editing services to YouTubers, coaches, and influencers. Send raw files, get back polished videos and clips. Charge per video or offer monthly packages. 4 YouTube edits and 12 social clips for $800 a month. 2 short videos at $50 each, that's your $100 a day. AI lets you deliver fast, high-quality work, freeing creators to focus on content. Demand is exploding. Every business wants more video. You're selling speed and convenience and people will pay for it. No pro editing skills needed, just smart use of AI tools. Land a client, deliver results, and scale up. The future of video editing is here. Jump in now. Side hustle 5. AI-powered resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers need standout resumes, but most aren't writers. Use ChatGPT to rewrite resumes and cover letters, then polish with Canva templates. Offer on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. I'll write your professional resume with AI. Charge $50 for a basic refresh, $150 plus for a full package. 1 premium sale a day, and you're over $100. You help people land jobs, a service with real value. The process is fast, effective, and in high demand. No recruiting expertise needed, just smart prompts and a human touch. Start helping people get hired and get paid. There you have it, 5 AI side hustles to make $100 a day in 2025. AI content creation, digital products, social media management, video editing, and resume writing. No tech genius required, just take action. Pick one hustle, start small, and stay consistent. AI is your partner for building real income and freedom. If you found value, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a rocket emoji in the comments if you're starting your AI hustle today. Thanks for watching. Let's build and grow together.